Struggling with anemia? Boost your iron levels and hemoglobin naturally. 1. Beets. Packed with iron and vitamins, beets kickstart red blood cell production. Juice them up with a squeeze of lemon for an iron-rich drink. 2. Spinach. This leafy green is your ally against anemia, rich in folic acid and vitamin B12. Add it to your meals and salads for a health boost. 3. Moringa leaves. With more iron than spinach, these leaves are a superfood for your blood. Mix them with jaggery for a sweet, iron-packed treat. 4. Black sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are big on iron. Sprinkle them on your dishes for a crunchy way to up your iron intake. 5. Honey. It's not just sweet, it's also rich in minerals. A spoonful a day can help improve your hemoglobin levels. Nature's got your back in the fight against anemia. Try these 5 naturopathic remedies and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health hacks.